Hey guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we show you every possible solution to a specific problem, whether it's related to an app or even a phone. We're here to help. So without any further delay, let's jump into the process. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add spotlights on Snapchat. So first of all, open up the Snapchat mobile application. Once it's open, go to the play button that is appearing at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you hit that, click on the plus icon that is appearing in the top right corner. From here, you can see submit to Spotlight. You can even upload a video or create. Let's hit upload. Once you do that, your camera roll will be appeared. You can even choose from your camera roll or even your memories. Let's choose this. Once you choose this, you can hit the tick button. Once you hit the tick, click on preview. From here, you can even edit the Snapchat or add another video with this. Click on send to that is appearing at the bottom right corner. As you can see, the message is appearing that it should be at least 5 seconds. So add another one. I just hit that because just to make it of more than 5 seconds. Hit the send to. Once you do that, click OK. And from here at the top of the screen, you can see the spotlight. You can even take or untake it or even send it to your story. So that was it for today. To recap, today we covered how to add a spotlight on Snapchat. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing to Solution Lab and hit that thumbs up for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries, leave them in the comments below. See you next time.